So we will be playing the Unexpectable Tower. Okay, that is really unspectable. Okay. Stop. Bro, I don't want you jump scare. Okay. Okay, be right back, guys. Be right back. Okay, how do I stop this thing? Okay, I don't know how to stop this thing. So, let's just, guys. How dare you? How dare you? Unexpectable Tower. How dare you? How dare? Bro, how did I misclick that jump? Oh, okay. 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 Okay, let me just. Okay, that's much better. Madam, stop scaring me. Okay. How did you make? Okay, that gave me a heart attack. That was scary. That was scary. What's this? Okay. Let's go before the timer. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? How dare you, madam? How little you dare me? Like you literally dare me so much that I will kill you. Guys, I am gonna rage quit. I'm sorry, but it's true. Okay, I will hug you. Okay. Meow. Wait. What? Okay. Okay, I'm speed running right now. Okay. Oh, how dare you? How dare you get in my way? Okay, so I'm speed running right now. I don't even know why I wanted to speed run. Okay, stop. That gives me a heart attack. And I will give you a heart attack after this. Speed running thing. Okay, what is this? Oh. Okay, let's try not to fall this time. Let's speed running. I don't even know why. Let's go. Hi. Okay. Don't do that dirty stuff. Don't do that dirty. Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna try this another time when I don't rage quit. So bye guys. I hate rage quit, but I had to.